So, what do you think this house is listed at?
$380,000.
$400,000.
This house is listed at $389,000. So it's just a squeak above your budget of $375,000.
But reasonable, I mean, like you see where all that is and what you're buying.
I really thought we were gonna have to give up either the open concept or the land or being close to town, but you figured out how to find all three.
I'm happy you guys are happy. You guys can head out. I'm gonna lock up and you can chat some more.
Okay.
I can't think of one good reason why they wouldn't choose this house over theirs.
So perfect, and there's nothing to do.
Right.
Hilary's not doing everything they asked for. And here's the truth, even if she did, this house would still have things that they don't have that I say they need.
I just think the best part is that you have options. In our house now, we don't have options.
Yeah.
The only thing that concerns me is that Hilary is specifically designing their kitchen to suit Angelica's baking needs.
Do you feel like this is one you really could consider?
I consider, but I still want to see what Hilary has to offer.
How are you feeling?
Nervous and excited.
Perfect. Come on, let's go. All right. Come on in.
I mean, oh my goodness.
This is amazing.
What do you even say to this? It's so good.
And when you have friends over with their children, it means that you can be sitting here and they have a play area.
Exactly.
You have a desk area just to be able to deal with your recipes. It's a little work area for you.
I love it.
Okay. Now is this beautiful mudroom.
Literally looks like you've doubled the space.
I love it.
Good.
But this,
And
I
then
can't
right
even...
here.
Can't get over this.
This is beautiful.
It's out of the kitchen, so
Yes.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Always a good thing to get the laundry out of the kitchen.
But it's
it works.
perfect.
It
It
works.
works.
That just leaves that door.
Oh my goodness. Hilary, it's so good.
It's wonderful.
So that works very well for guests because it's tucked away out of the way.
Exactly, yep.
Great for the kids because it's easily accessible.
Inside and out.
It's so good. Can we see the kitchen?
Yeah, just not right now.
Okay.
We're going upstairs.
Okay.
So here is a big deal.
A bathroom with privacy.
You now have a door.
Perfect.
And it's quiet.
Everyone who comes here will thank you for having a door.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Go on in.
Look at
perfect.
your new sanctuary.
There was some finishing to do, so we just cleaned it up and dressed it up. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
And then there's the bathroom.
What do we say about the bathroom?
Go take a look.
Oh my
Look at
heavens.
this.
Where did you even find money in the budget to make this happen?
We were just lucky in that a few things came in under budget. We saved on labor. I mean, the fact that the plumbing was all in the same
Right,
place,
right.
that meant it wasn't a major renovation. And you really needed this.
Yeah, we really did.
You did.
What?
Wow.
This is the most beautiful
Beautiful.
kitchen I have ever seen.
Wow.
You've got the seating here, which means you can have an informal get-together right here. The huge table we talked about for
Perfect,
family gatherings,
yes.
or children can be sitting there while you're working here. You've got storage everywhere you look.
Everywhere.
It's good for your business, but again, for photographs, it means there isn't a single angle that doesn't look wonderful.
No,
It's great as a family home, and it's great as a party home.
it's so good.
But let's not forget, the brand new house we looked at had an amazing kitchen
It was beautiful.
and functional for your business.
Yeah.
Also on the main floor, 3 bedrooms and a beautiful master bath. You have dedicated laundry. And then you go to the second level where you have the bonus space.
Yeah.
It also had a guest room with a guest bath, something you don't have here.
Right.
And lastly, in a growing neighborhood. To me, that house just makes sense for your future.
It was a perfect house.
So, it's time for you to make a decision. But before you make that decision, I have one more listing to show you, and it's yours. That is now the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
That's amazing.
The value of their home before the renovation was $270,000. After putting $115,000 into the renovation, the new value of their home is $415,000. That's an increase of $145,000.
Makes it tough.
I mean, you're gonna walk away with money in your pocket.
Yeah.
So you guys talk about it and decide which house you think makes the most sense for your future.
All right.
Hilary was able to create a photo-worthy baker's kitchen to meet all of Angelica's personal and professional needs. And she reconfigured the main floor to accommodate a new mudroom and laundry. But she couldn't give them a larger master bathroom, and she couldn't replace their deck. For his part, David was able to find a newly built home with enough land to suit John and a kitchen to wow Angelica that also comes with a grand master bathroom, a new deck, and a guest room. But it doesn't have a kitchen designed specifically for Angelica.
If common sense has anything to do with this, you're toast.
You are so full of yourself.
I know.
You really are.
I wasn't expecting that.
I knew there was value here, but I just didn't realize how much.
You have to look at the house overall. You can't just focus on one area of the house and say this is why they should stay.
Why not?
You cannot beat a kitchen like this.
Right, this is a kitchen made personally for you.
That kitchen is beautiful,
I'm not disagreeing with you.
but that's not the be-all, end-all of everything in their life.
That bathroom was big. I'm almost having a hard time thinking about walking away from that.
It also had a bonus room for the kids.
Fine, you trump me on that.
In that bonus space, I was pleasantly surprised by that.
But he still didn't find the lot size.
What she wants is something in a neighborhood.
But the whole thing that comes with a growing neighborhood is eventually more houses are gonna be coming in.
Compromise.
Budget?
It was slightly over.
Oh, thank you.
It's a tough decision, but I think we know what we should do.
Okay.
Looks like they made a decision. Let's go find out. So, decision made?
Decision made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to love it.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
What happened to common sense?
Common sense. Pfft.
David, the house was the perfect compromise, but
Hilary really made the house what it should be.
Yeah.
Every house should have a story to tell, and you just really brought that to life, and this got us to a great place.
Listen, I completely understand. I'm pleased for you.
thank you.
We did it.
Yes, thank you.
Go, please.
It's perfect.
Take
Okay,
care, guys.
let's go.